So, week 6, learning task 2, page 28. Okay, so, ayan. So, dito, we will discuss 4 methods kung paano makukuha ang equation of a line. Paano makukuha ang equation of a line? Letter A, kapag ang ibibigay sa atin ay isang slope at isang y-intercept. Okay? Paano mahanap ang equation of the line pag binigyan tayo ng 2 points or 2 points? Letter C, what is the equation of a line pag binigyan tayo ng isang slope at isang point? And ano ang equation of a line pag binigyan tayo ng x-intercept at y-intercept? Okay? So, dito sa module natin, letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D. Okay, so examples. So, example sa kapag given ang slope at saka y-intercept. For example, meron tayong slope na negative 2/3. Yan ang slope natin. Ang y-intercept naman natin ay negative 4. Okay, so find the equation of the line. So, ano daw yung equation of the line pag meron tayong slope at saka y-intercept? So, ito yata yung pinakamadali, no? So, solution, we're going to use the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Ano nga ba ulit yung slope intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus b. So, ito yata yung pinakamadali. By the way, siguro, you should get a notebook and pen so that habang nanonood kayo ay nagte-take down notes din kayo. So that pagkatapos ng video ay meron kayong pwedeng balikan. Or nasa sa inyo kung paanong method ang strategy ang gusto nyong gawin. Okay? So, ito ang gagamitin natin. Y is equals to mx plus b. So, right there, papalitan lang natin itong m ng negative 2/3. Okay? So, itong m na to ay magiging negative 2/3. Yun yung m. Yun yung binigay sa ating m. M is the slope. Yan, the slope. Okay? Then, ito naman B, ang Y is the y-intercept. Since ang y-intercept natin is negative 4, okay, ang y-intercept natin is negative 4, papalitan natin itong B ng negative 4, kasama yung sign. So, yung plus magpapalit, yung B magpapalit, magiging -4. Okay? So, again, itong B is the y-intercept. So, therefore, ito na yung ating equation. This is the equation of the line, pero this is in the slope-intercept form. Okay? So, dalawang klase ang form kasi natin eh. Ang nasa slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, at isang nasa standard form. Yung standard form, ax plus bx equals to c. Okay, so papalitan natin to para maging ax plus bx is equals to c. Anong gagawin natin doon? Una, kokopyahin natin to. Kopyahin natin to. Okay, ito, kopyahin natin to. Since merong number dito, fraction, kailangan mawala to, no? So, paano mawawala yan? Yung 3, i-multiply natin dito sa y, multiply natin dito, at i-multiply natin dito. Sa tatlong terms na yan. Tatlong terms yan eh. One term, pangalawang term, pangatlong term. So, itong 3 na to, i-multiply natin sa tatlong yan. Okay, so bago natin i-multiply yung y, lalagyan natin ng 1. Okay, nilagyan ko ng 1. Okay, so yung isang letter na kapag walang coefficient niya is 1. Okay? So, okay, so para lang makita nyo, but this is optional. This is optional, no? So, pag sinabing multiply 3 sa tatlong to, nangyayari is 3 times y is equal to 3y. Okay, so ganito, ganyan, para makita nyo, no? 3 times y. So, may 1 dito. So, 3 times this is 1y times 3. Okay? And then, tong buong to, or ito lang pala, ang i-multiply lang ng natin yung 3, yung mga coefficient. Okay, ano ba yung mga coefficient? Yung number sa left ng y, yung number na to, at itong number na to. Since walang number dito, naglagay lang tayo ng 1 para lang malinaw sa inyo, no? Para lang malinaw sa inyo dahil mga baguhan pa kayo sa algebra. So, naglagay tayo ng 1 dito. So, nangyari, lahat ng terms ay meron ng coefficient. Coefficient nito is 1, coefficient nito is 2/3, coefficient nito is 4. Okay, actually negative 2/3. Actually negative 2/3. But ito lang muna ang gagawin natin. Okay, ito naman ay negative 4. Pero ito lang ang gagawin natin. So, para mawala to, multiply natin itong 3 sa 1, 2/3, at saka sa 4. Okay, so paano mangyayari yan? So, itong 1 na to, magiging 1 times 3. Okay? 3 times 1. And then, itong 2/3 na to, lalagyan ng parenthesis. Okay, lalagyan ng parenthesis dito. And then, magkakaroon siya ng 3 dito. No? Kasi, kung multiply nga natin lahat eh. No? Okay. And last one, itong 4 na to, babalutan natin ng parenthesis dahil multiply natin siya ng 3. Okay? So, mangyayari is 3 times 1 is 3 equals negative equals negative. And then itong 3 na to will cancel with sa 3 dito. Ang matitira is 2 times x, 2x. Okay? And then minus 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, malapit na to sa slope-intercept form. Ito yung y, ito yung x, ito yung constant. Parang ganito, no? Ito. Ito yung y, ito yung x, ito yung constant. Okay, malapit na siya sa forma na yan. Malapit na siya. Problem is, itong y na to ay may coefficient na 3. So gusto nating mawala to. Okay? So ang ginawa pala dito muna is ginawa muna standard form. Standard form pala. Pagpatuloy natin, in standard form pala gagawin. AX plus BY is equals to C. Okay? Lalagyan ko ng plus dito. Lagyan ng plus dito. Kasi itong negative 2x, ilipat natin doon. Okay? So, pag hindi mo nilagyan ng plus dito, pag nilipat mo itong negative 2x, pag tinranspose mo to magiging 2x 3y. No? Which is wrong. Okay, kung may tatabi ka dito, pag wala siyang katabi sa left, okay lang walang plus. Okay, okay lang siya walang plus dito. Pero kung meron kang ilalagay ditong term, kailangan mo maglagay ng plus. Okay, so yun. So naglagay tayo ng plus dito. Bilang, okay, so basically, ito ay pareho dito. Nagkaroon lang ng plus. And then, nung may plus na, yung negative 2x, itong negative 2x ay tinranspose natin sa kabila, yung negative naging positive. Okay? So, ito, napunta dito. So, ang nangyari is, yung negative naging positive 2x, and then plus 3y equals to, ito yun, plus 3y equals to. And then, negative 12, ito yung negative 12. Okay, so ito na yung equation natin. Ito ay nasa form na ax plus by is equals to c, standard form. Okay? So ito na ngayon ang equation of the line in standard form. Okay? So titignan natin yung example dito sa module. Letter A, ang binigay niyang slope dito is 2. At ang y-intercept niya, or the B, is equal to negative 3. Meron tayong slope, meron tayong y-intercept. Kagaya ng ginawa natin dito. Meron tayong slope, meron tayong y-intercept. Okay, meron tayong slope at meron tayong y-intercept. So, ang gagawin natin dito, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, is gamitin natin ang slope-intercept form. Y is equals to mx plus b. So, papalitan lang natin tong m ng 2. Papalitan lang natin tong b ng negative 3. So, ang equation natin magiging y is equal to mx. So, ang m natin is 2. So, magiging 2x. 2x. And then plus b. Ang b natin is negative 3. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng negative 3. Okay? So, this now in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Okay? So, ganun din ginawa natin kanina. Isang slope-intercept form, tas ginawa natin ng standard form. Okay? So, after this slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. Gagawin naman natin to standard form. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin is itong 2x, lipat natin sa kabila. Lalagyan muna natin ng plus tong y dito. Yun, plus y. Kasi magkakaroon siya ng katabi. Yung positive 2x. Pag tinranspose natin sa kabila, magiging negative 2x. Okay, and then naiwan yung negative 3 dito. So, negative 3 dito. Okay? So, may dinagdag lang ako sa module kasi sa module, ang final answer niya is negative 2x. So, dapat itong unang term na to is positive. Ang gagawin natin is we're going to negate. We're going to negate. So, ano ba yung negate? Negate is babalik ta rin natin yung lahat ng sign. Yung mga negative magiging positive at yung mga positive ay magiging negative. Okay? So, itong negative 2x magiging positive 2x. Itong positive y magiging negative y. And then itong negative 3 ay magiging positive 3. Okay? Yan. So, yan yung sabok. Ganito yung sabok. Okay? Letter B. What is the equation of the line kapag binigyan tayo ng given na 2 points? 2 points. So, dalawang point. So, for example, meron tayong negative 4 and 3 at saka 3 and negative 2. Okay, dalawang points, no? So in this example, meron tayong dalawang point. The first point is negative 4 and 3. This is x. This is y. No? And dito naman is 3, negative 2. So pinapahanap sa atin, find the equation of the line. Solution, we're going to use this formula. So kailangan memorize nyo to or sulat nyo sa notebook para meron kayong kopya nito, itong formula na to, or nakasulat naman to dito sa ating module. Yan, nandito yung formula. Sa page 28. Page 28. Page 28. Page 28. Yan. So, paano ginagamit tong formula na to, no? So, sulat natin yung dalawang points natin dito. Yung negative 4, 3. Yan, kinopya ko lang siya dito. Negative 4, 3. Itong 3, negative 2. Sulat natin dito, 3, negative 2. Okay, so ito yung ating first point. Ito yung x niya. Ito yung y. So ito yung magiging x sub 1. Merong 1 siya dito. Ibig sabihin, ito yung ating first x. Negative 4. Ito naman natin at first y. Y sub 1. Okay, dito naman sa pangalawang point. Ito ang pangalawang x natin. This is x sub 2. And ito yung ating pangalawang y. That is y sub 2. Oops. Naglolo ko lang. So, excuse me, saglit lang. Re-restart ko lang aking program. Medyo naglolo ko siya. Okay. Saglit lang, ano? Okay. So, ni-restart lang natin. So, ayan. So, again, I was saying that this is our first point. So, ito yung magiging first x natin. Naman ang ating second point. Ito magiging first y natin. Ito sa second point natin. Ito magiging first x natin. And itong magiging second y natin. So, gagamitin natin yung formula. Papalitan lang natin itong mga first y sub 2, y sub 1 ng mga values natin dito. Okay? So, una, ang ating y sub 1 is 3. So, papalitan lang natin ng 3. Okay? So, lahat ng y sub 1, papalitan natin ng 3. Next is y sub 2. So, bali ko, copy nyo lang to, no? Y minus, and then ang papalitan lang yung y sub 1, y sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 1, x minus 1, ano? And then yung equals, so yung y sub 1, napalitan natin na 3, yung equals, copy natin equals, and then itong fraction line na to, nilagay na natin fraction line, ano? And next is yung y sub 2. Ito, y sub 2. Yung pangalawang y. So, pag walang katabi yung negative, pwede na natin palitan yung y sub 2 ng negative 2. Okay? Yun lang ang y sub 2. And then, dito tayo sa baba, x sub 2. X sub 2 is 3. So, yung 3, positive, papalitan lang natin ng 3. No? X sub 2, papalitan natin ng 3. Okay? X sub 2, papalitan lang natin ng 3. Because that is 3. Okay? And then minus, and then tong x sub 1, gagawin nating negative 4. Okay, so since negative yung 4, naglalagay tayo ng parenthesis. And then ano ng negative 4. Pag hindi tayo naglagay ng parenthesis, ay magiging minus. So sulat natin minus. And then yung x sub 1 is negative 4, magiging minus 4. Dalawang minus. No? So kailangan maglagay tayo ng parenthesis sa gitna. Okay? I hope nakuha niyo yun, ano? So that's why may parenthesis dito. And then, kukopyahin lang to, x minus, yan, kukopyahin lang to, x minus. Then, meron tayong x sub 1 dito. Ang ating x sub 1 is negative 4. Gagawin natin x sub 1 as x minus 4. Okay, kailangan may parenthesis. Pag hindi natin nilagyan ng parenthesis, magiging ganito yan. X minus 4. Okay, magiging ganyan yan. Although, technically, tama yan, but mas accepted yung ganito. Lalagyan natin ng parenthesis. Okay? So again, kapag negative, usually lalagyan ng parenthesis. Pero na lang kung ang negative ay nasa dulo siya. Sa left side, nasa pinakadulong left side. Pero pag ang negative nasa gitna, usually lalagyan natin ng negative, ng parenthesis. Okay? So, pagkatapos natin palitan yung mga lahat nito, Yan, yung 6 na yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yung 6 values na yan. Ito na ang lumabas. So makikita natin dito wala tayong magagawa dito. Iwanan lang natin yan. Kokopyahin lang natin to. Pareho lang sila, no? But dito, meron tayo negative 2, negative 3. Okay, so wala pa rin tayong ginawa. Ang ginawa lang natin dito is itong negative, may negative 4. So negative times negative ay magiging positive 4. No? Kasi because this minus sign will negate. Negate. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng negate? Itong minus sign na to ay babalik ta rin niya lahat ng sign dito sa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, lahat ng sign dito sa loob ng parenthesis, babalik ta rin niya to. So, itong negative 4 ay magiging positive 4. Okay? So, ito ay kinopya lang natin. Pero dapat pwede na natin gawing negative 5 to, no? And then, going to this one, copy natin x minus. Okay, kukopy natin to, parenthesis x, and then meron na naman tayong minus sign, parenthesis, na may minus sign. So, ibig sabihin, itong negative 4 ay magiging positive 4 because of that minus sign. Okay? So, yun, no? So, negative 2 and negative 3, pareho silang negative, magiging silang negative 5. No? Pinagsama natin sila. Negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5 na total. Ito naman sa baba is 3 plus 4, dalawang positive number. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7. Okay? Then, ganun pa rin to. Y minus 3 is equal to y minus 3 is equal to y minus 3 is equal to ito naging negative 5. Ito naging 7. Then ito is x plus 4 pa din. Okay? Now, gusto nating mawala to. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, itong 7 na to ay i-multiply natin lahat to. Lahat ng nasa left side at lahat ng nasa right side. Multiply natin ng 7 para mawala itong 7 na to. So, mayayari is y minus 3, lalagyan natin ng parenthesis. Okay? Itong y minus 3, lalagyan natin ng parenthesis. Ito, lalagyan din natin ng parenthesis. Ayan ito. And then, multiply natin siya ng 7, 7 dito, and then 7 doon. Okay, multiply natin yung both sides. Lahat to, multiply natin ng 7, and lahat to, multiply natin ng 7. So, this is 7 times y is 7, excuse me. 7 times y is 7y. And this is positive. No? Pag walang sign is positive. So, positive times negative is negative. No? Magkaiba sila ng sign. Ano? Magkaiba sila. This is positive, this is negative. So, positive times negative is equal to negative. Pag magkaiba ang sign equals to negative. And then 7 times 3 is 21. Pagdating dito, of course, kokopyahin muna natin itong equals. And then pagdating dito, yung 7 na to will cancel with the 7 dito. Itong dalawang 7 na to will cancel out. Matitira is negative 5 times x plus 4. Magkakaroon tayo ng negative 5 times x plus 4. Okay, kasi nawala na itong dalawang to eh. Okay, so ang natira is negative 5 times x plus 4. And then, wala muna tayong magagawa dito sa mga to. Kukopyahin lang natin. Dito tayo merong magagawa. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times positive 4 is negative 20. No? So, pag multiply, unahin natin na sign. Pagkatapos na coefficient, and then the variable, SCB. Sign, coefficient, and the variable. So this is positive. Sign muna tayo. Negative times positive is negative. Coefficient, 5 times 1 is 5. And then variable, x times walang x is x. Okay. Next is, itong dalawa naman, this is negative, this is positive. So, ang sign nito is negative. Negative times positive is negative pag makaiba. Let's go to coefficient. 5 times 4 is 20. So, ibig sabihin, this is the result kapag minultiply mo yung negative 5 sa x at saka sa positive 4. Okay? So, isang linya na lang siya. Okay, isang linya na lang siya. Gagawin natin siyang slope, intercept form. Slope-intercept form. So, kailangan tong y lang ang nasa left side. Okay, kung meron kang equal sign dito sa kaliwa, dapat y lang ang nasa kaliwa. So, itong negative 21 na to, kailangan i-transpose natin sa kabila. Okay, so mangyayari is 7y equals negative 5x minus 20 equals negative 5x minus 20. And then itong negative 21 na to, ililipat natin sa kabila, magiging positive 21. Okay, so yun lang ginawa natin. Itong negative 21, ilipat sa kabila. Kaya nagkaroon ng positive 21 dito. Then continue. 7y is equals to negative 5x. 7y is equals to negative 5x. So meron tayong negative 20 plus 21 dito. Magkaiba sila ng sign. This is negative, this is positive. So this is parang sinabi mong 21 minus 20, that is positive 1. No? Bakit positive? Because mas marami yung mga positive. There are 21 positive numbers and there are 20 negative numbers. Bawat isang negative number, babawasan ng isang positive number. So since there are negative 20 numbers, babawasan natin to ng negative 20. Babawasan natin to ng 20. So therefore, ang matitira dito pagkatapos mong bawasan ng 20 is isa na lang. Isang positive na lang ang natira. Kasi inubos nung 20 na negative yung 20 na positive. isang positive na lang ang natira. Okay, so ganun kapag magkaiba ang sign, no? Ibig sabihin, addition or subtraction. Kung magkaiba ang sign, subtract natin sila. Pero kung pareho silang positive, i-add natin sila. Okay? Yan yung lesson natin before, no? Iba yun sa multiplication, no? Kung multiplication naman, negative times positive, ang sagot nito is negative. No? Kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Negative times positive is negative. Okay, so again, y is equals to negative 5x, y is equals to negative 5x, and this is 21 minus 20 is positive 1. So malapit na tayo sa y is equals to mx plus b. Ito na yung y natin, ito na yung mx natin, and ito na yung b natin. Okay? So, kailangan tong y na to ay mawala ang 7 coefficient. So, paano mawawala tong 7 na to? Di-divide natin lahat ng coefficient ng 7. Di-divide natin to ng 7. Di-divide natin to ng 7. Lahat ng coefficient. Di-divide natin ng 7. Okay, so ang mangyayari is 7 over 7 ay magiging 5 over 7. Naman ay magiging 1 over 7. So, lahat sila i-divide natin ng 7. Lahat sila i-divide natin ng 7. So, 7 cancel with 7. That's equal to y. Okay, y is equal to y is equal to y is equal to y is equal to, no? Nag-cancel na to. Cancel na to. And then ito is the lowest term na. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. That's the lowest term. So, kokopyahin lang natin to. At ito, kokopyahin na rin natin to kasi lowest term na rin to eh. Magkakaroon tayo ng negative 5 over 7 x plus 1 over 7. This is the equation of the line. Equation of the line in slope intercept form. So, palitan daw natin to standard form. Standard form. So, kung papalitan natin to ng standard form, mahirap kung dito tayo magsisimula. So, babalik tayo. Hahanapin natin yung pinaka-last na nag-single line equation siya. Ibig sabihin yung walang mga gantong fraction. Walang mga fraction na number. Ano yung pinakahuling equation na walang fraction? So ito, may fraction. So hindi ito ang kukunin natin. Ito may fraction. Hindi rin ito kukunin natin. So ito yung pinakahuling equation na single line. Kokopyahin natin to. 7y equals negative 5x plus 1. 7y equals negative 5x plus 1. And then gagawin nating standard form. ax plus by is equals to c. Okay, so kailangan yung x, unang-una siya. Yung x dapat unang-una. Dito yung x natin. So, kailangan ilipat natin dito sa kabila. Okay, so yung negative 5x, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, ay magiging una, ilagyan pala muna natin ng plus yung 7. Okay, nilagyan natin ng plus yung 7 kasi magkakaroon siya ng bagong katabi dito. Okay? So, pag hindi natin nilagyan ng plus to, pag nilipat natin tong negative 5x, magiging 5x 7y. Okay? So, kailangan lagyan muna natin ng plus dito. So, kapag meron ng plus dito, ililipat lang natin tong negative 5x dito sa position na to. Yung negative ay magiging positive 5x. So, negative 5x ay magiging positive 5x kapag nandito na. Plus 7y equals 1. Okay? Pwede nang alisin tong plus na to. Itong positive 1 is equal to 1. Ito naman is the equation of the line in standard form. Standard form. Okay? So, dalawa kasi ang pinapakuha sa atin eh. Isang equation of the line. Yung isa is in slope-intercept form. Yung isa naman ang equation of the line in standard form. Okay? Tingnan natin sa book. So, sa module is 2, 2 and 5 ang first point. Excuse me. So, ang first x natin is 2 at ang first y natin is 5. So, ito yung first point natin. 2 and 5. So, meron tayong 2 and 5. Second point naman natin is negative 2 and negative 3. So, negative 2, negative 3, yun ang ating second x and second y. So, gagamitin din natin yung formula, kagaya ng ginawa natin dito. Yung ginamit natin dito ang formula, no? So, kukopy lang natin y minus. So, itong y1 na to, papalitan natin ng 5. Okay, then equals. And then itong y2 na to, papalitan natin ng negative 3. Minus. Itong y1, y sub 1 na to, ay papalitan natin ng 5. Okay, yan ang y sub 1 natin eh. So, merong 5 doon. So basically, susundan lang natin tong formula na to, no? Susundan lang natin yan. So, sabi ng formula, next is, isulat daw ang x sub 2. Okay, so ang x sub 2 natin is negative 2. So, lalagay natin doon negative 2. Sabi ng formula, isulat negative. So, lalagay natin dito negative. And then next is x sub 2. Ito ang x sub 2 natin, negative 2. So, dito nagkamali yung libro, no? So, dapat to -2 minus x sub 2. So, kailangan to ay minus -2, no? Because ang x sub 2 natin ay -2. So, kailangan minus, bukod sa minus na to, meron parenthesis, -2. So, ang mangyayari niyan is negative times negative, dapat to is positive. Kinokorek ko lang ng module, ano? Dapat to is positive. So, may mali dito sa equation na to, no? Kasi pag ito naging positive 2, 2 minus 2, magiging 0 to. Okay? So, wag na natin pagpatuloy itong example na to. Magsasayang lang tayo ng oras dito. Mali ang equation nila, no? Nagkamali sila ng equation dito. Kasi magiging 0 to, eh. -2 tong x. Okay? So, let's proceed to letter C. Letter C. So, ano daw ang equation of the line pag binigyan tayo ng isang slope at isang point? Isang slope, isang point. Okay, so ito ang gagamitin nating formula. So, take this down. Bibigyan tayo ng isang slope at isang point. Ano daw yung equation of the line? So, take this down, i-note nyo to, itong formula na to. Ito ang formula na gagamitin. Itong formula na gagamitin kapag binigyan tayo ng isang slope M, binigyan tayo ng slope M, at isang point. Example, binigyan tayo ng isang slope, symbol ng slope is M, ang value ng M is 3, at isang point, -4 and 2. So, pinapahanap sa atin, find the equation of the line. Solution, since merong y1 and x1 dito, ibig sabihin, ito yung x1, y1 natin, ano? So, kukopyahin ko lang itong -4, 2 na to, -4, 2 na to. Then, ito yung magiging first x natin, x sub 1, -4. Ito yung magiging y sub 1 natin, 2. And then, kukopyahin lang natin itong formula na to. Okay, itong formula na to, kukopyahin lang natin yan. Lagay natin dito. And then, lahat ng mga pwede na natin palitan ay papalitan natin. So, y minus, kukopyahin lang natin, y minus, and then itong y sub 1 ay papalitan natin ng 2. Okay? So, itong y sub 1, y sub 1, ito yung y sub 1 natin, papalitan natin, ang y sub 1 natin is 2, papalitan natin ng 2. And then equals, itong m natin, binigay sa atin ng m, ang m is equal to 3. So therefore, lalagyan natin ng 3 dito. Okay, and then parenthesis x minus, yan na, sinusundan lang natin tong formula na to, no? X sub 1. So, ang x sub 1 natin is negative 4. So, therefore, yung negative 4, babalutan muna natin ng parenthesis. Okay, and then lalagay natin negative 4. Okay, kasi pag walang parenthesis yan, magiging minus negative 4. Okay, so wala pa tayong nakikitang mathematical equation na ganyan. Dalawang minus negative 4. So that's why lalagyan natin ng parenthesis para sa minus negative 4. And then, susundan lang natin tong ating current equation. I minus 2 is equal to 3. Mula dito hanggang dito, kokopyahin lang natin. Okay, y minus 2 is... Okay, hanggang dyan. And then, itong dalawang to, negative times negative times negative 4, magiging positive 4. Okay, so yun lang ginawa natin. Itong dalawa lang ang nabago. Naging positive 4. And then, since meron tayong parenthesis dito, yung m dash, m is for multiplication. So, m is for multiplication. So, ito yung parenthesis. Ibig sabihin yan is 3 times yung lahat na nasa loob. So, unahin muna natin to gawin. Okay? So, kokopyahin lang natin to. Pareho lang yan. Kokopyahin lang natin yan. And then, 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times positive 4 is positive 12. Okay? So, pag puro positive yung number, walang problema, no? Pwede tayo magdire-diretso. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 4 is positive 12. And then, gagawin natin form na y is equals to mx plus b. Okay, so ito yung y. So, y equals, okay, mx, ito yung x natin, 3x plus 12, 3x plus 12. And then, itong isang negative 2 na to ay wala siya sa lugar niya. So, kailangan i-transpose natin dito sa kabila. So, yung negative 2 ay magiging positive 2 kapag tinabi natin dito sa 12. Okay, so yun lang binago natin dito, yung negative 2, nilipat natin sa kabila, naging positive 2. So this is now y is equals to 3x, y is equals to 3x, and then 12 plus 2 is 14. Positive 12 and positive 2, pag parehong positive, pinagsasama natin sila. Okay, so yung 12 na positive ay nadagdagan ng dalawang positive. So, meron na tayong 14 na positive. Okay? This is the equation of the line in slope intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Okay, so sabi sa atin, kailangan din daw natin malaman ng standard form. So, since ito yung pinakahuling equation, na isang straight line lang siya, no? Walang mga fraction, walang fraction line, no? Walang fraction. Kokopyahin lang natin to. Y is equals to 3x plus 14. Y is equals to 3x plus 14. And then, itong 3x natin, titignan natin yung x. Kapag positive ang x, wag na natin galawin. So, itong y na lang ang ilipat natin sa kabila. So, magiging yung positive y, pag tinranspose natin dito, magiging negative y. And itong positive 14, pag tinranspose natin sa kabila, magiging negative 14. So, negative 14 is equals to 3x minus y. So, kung ang negative 14 is equals to 3x minus y, binaligtad lang natin yung dalawa. Okay? Pinagpalit lang natin yung position nila. Pinagpalit lang yung position nila. So, this is now following ax plus by is equals to c. Standard form. Standard form na siya, no? So, standard form, una yung x, susundan ng y, and then the constant. So, ito yung x term, ito yung y term, and then ito yung constant. That's the equation of the line in standard form. And last, D, pinapahanap sa atin ang equation of the line kapag binigay sa atin ang x-intercept, bigay sa atin ang x-intercept at y-intercept, no? X and y. Yung x-intercept, laging 0 ang y. Ang x-coordinate ay i-represent natin ang a. Hindi natin pwede gawing x to kasi pag nagkaroon tayo ng, pag tong a na to, ginawa nating x, magiging dalawa ang x. So, ginawa nating a ang x. Yung x is represented by a. And then yung y was represented by e. Okay? Y-intercept, laging 0 ang x. Yung y coordinate ang may value. Kasi nga, y-intercept siya eh. No? Y nga siya eh. Kaya ito dapat ang may value. At 0 ang x. Ang x-intercept, 0 ang y. Yung x-coordinate ang merong value. Okay? Susundan nyo lang to. Pag sinabing x, yung x ang may value. Pag sinabing y-intercept, yung y ang may value. 0 yung x. Okay, dito naman 0 ang y. Kasi x-intercept. Okay, so ito yung formula. Ito yung m niya, slope. Mx plus b. No, parang kahawig siya ng y is equals to, ito yung slope niya, mx plus b. Okay, ito, papalitan mo lang to ng m. This is the slope, mx plus b. Okay, for example, binigyan tayo ng dalawang intercept. Isang, paano natin nalaman na intercept to? Kasi may nakita tayong 0. May 0 sa y, and then ito naman is 0 sa x. So, kung 0 ang y nito, makatuwid, ito ang tinatawag nating x-intercept. Kasi 0 yung y niya eh. Ito naman, dahil 0 ang x niya, ito ang tinatawag nating y-intercept. Okay? Pinapahanap sa atin ng equation of the line. Solution. So, kinopya ko yung dalawang point. 5, 0. 5 and 0. At saka 0 and negative 2. 0 and negative 2. Okay, bakit naging A ang 5? Kasi ang A is para sa x-intercept. Okay? Okay, so since, di ba ang point, this is the x-coordinate, ito naman ay y. Since 0 to, and may value ang x natin, ito ang magiging A natin. Okay? Y-intercept naman, 0 ang x, and then yung y-coordinate is B. Okay? B. So, kung babalikan natin to, yung x natin, ito yung y natin, 0 ang x natin, B natin is may value. Yung y natin is may value, so therefore, yan ang ating y-intercept. And then, gagamitin lang natin tong formula na to. Kukopyahin natin. Ito. And then, lahat ng B, papalitan natin ng negative 2. Okay? So, ang B na to, magiging negative 2. And itong B na to, ay magiging negative 2. But, babalutan natin ng parenthesis. Kasi negative. Pero kung positive to, walang problema. Sulat natin plus 2 na lang kagad, diretso. Okay, so yun lang ang pinalitan natin, ano? B, tsaka A, tsaka B. The rest is pareho lang. So, kung ipagpapatuloy natin tong current equation natin, open lang natin ng y is equal to, and then negative times negative, so magiging positive to. No? Itong dalawang to is negative times positive. Itong buong number na to is negative times negative, magiging positive. Pwedeng hindi nasulat yung plus. Or pwede din, since positive to, So, ito, negative times negative is equals to positive. So, kaya positive to. Magiging positive 2/5 x. Okay? And then, plus. So, yung plus, walang gagawin ng plus. Kung ano yung sign sa loob, yun din ang magiging sign niya sa labas. No? So, pwedeng tanggalin mo lang tong parenthesis at saka tong plus. Or pwede mo ring tignan niya na positive times negative, since magkaiba sila ng sign, positive times negative, therefore, ang sagot is negative. Kasi magkaiba sila ng sign, ano? Hindi kagaya kung negative, pag negative, papalitan niya yung sign sa loob. Yung negative 2 magiging positive 2. But since this is positive, yung negative 2 is negative 2 pa din. And so, this is now in the form y is equal to m. Ito yung m natin, mx. And ito yung b. Okay, ito yung b. But this is now the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. This is the final answer. Okay? And then, syempre, kailangan natin palitan ito standard form. So, since wala tayong equation na single na walang fraction, lahat ay may fraction line, no? Fraction line. Ito ang gagamitin natin. Kukopyahin natin tong y is equals to 2/5 x minus 2. Yan, kukopyahin natin. Y is equals to 2/5 x minus 2. And then since, para kung gusto nating mawala tong 5, multiply natin tong first, second, at saka third term. First, second, third term. Multiply natin sila ng 5 para mawala tong 5 na to. Okay, so ang mangyari, ang unang ginawa, so kung medyo advanced na tayo, 5 times y is magiging 5y. Now, since yung 5, pinultiply natin doon, mawawala na yung 5. Magiging 2x na lang siya. So, 2x. And then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. No? Negative kasi magkaiba sila. This is positive, this is negative. That's why ang sagot is negative. So, itong part na to is parang explanation lang kung bakit naging ganito ang sagot natin. So, ang ginawa lang dyan is una, naglagay tayo ng 1 sa y. Okay? And then, lahat ng coefficient natin, yung 1, yung 2/5, at saka yung 2, lahat sila ay minultiply natin ng 5. Okay? Lahat sila ay minultiply natin ng 5. Okay, so ang mangyayari dito is 5 times 1 is 5y. And then tong 5 dito, cancel with 5 dito, magiging 2 times x is 2x. And then minus 5 times 2 is 10. So since positive ang x natin dito, Yung y na lang ang ililipat natin sa kabila. So, positive tong 5y dito. Pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 5y. And then, tong negative 10 na to, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging yung negative, magiging positive. And then, since 10 is equal to 2x minus 5y, therefore, yung 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. This is the equation of the line in standard form. Pag sinabing standard form, ax plus by is equals to c. Ax plus by is equals to c. Ito yung x natin, ito yung y natin, ito yung c natin. Okay? Ito yung x term, ito yung b term natin, ito yung y term natin, no? Pwede siyang maging negative, pwede siyang maging positive. Ito yung c term natin. Pwedeng maging positive din yan at pwedeng maging negative din yan. Okay, so that's A, B, C, and D. Now let's try to do the learning tasks. Okay, so number 1, meron tayong slope. And ito naman ay y-intercept. So hanapin daw natin yung equation of the line. Meron tayong slope and y-intercept. So, kinopya ko lang, no? So, slope is negative 5, and the y-intercept is 1. Y-intercept is 1, no? Hanapin daw natin ang equation of the line. So, kailangan alam nyo kung ano sa 4 ang gagamitin dito. Ano sa 4? Ano sa 4 na to? Slope and y-intercept. 2 points. Slope and point. X-intercept and y-intercept. Okay? So, since meron tayong slope at saka y-intercept, gagamitin natin is the slope and the y-intercept, which is letter A. Ito, letter A. Slope and y-intercept. Ito ang gagamitin natin. Okay? So, gagamitin natin dyan yung formula na slope-intercept form. Y is equals to mx p, and then meron tayong m. M natin is negative 5. So, papalitan lang natin tong m ng negative 5. Okay, so sinusundan lang natin tong formula na to. Copyin niyo yung formula sa notebook para meron kayong notes. So, sabi ng formula, y is equals to, then yung m, kinopya natin, x. And then itong b na to, ang given natin, ang b is equal to 1. So itong b natin, papalitan natin ng 1. Okay? Kasi sabi dito, b is equal to 1. Kaya itong b na to, ay pinalitan natin ng 1. But this is now the equation of the line. Pero this is in slope-intercept form. This is in slope-intercept form. So, hanapin daw natin ang standard form. Copy natin to, yung pinakahuling line na walang mga fraction. Y is equals to negative 5x plus 1. Y is equals to negative 5x plus 1. Okay? Since gagawin natin tong standard form, kailangan to is ax plus by is equals to c. Okay? So, yung x natin is negative. So, pwede natin siyang ilipat sa kaliwa. But bago natin siya ililipat, lalagyan muna natin ng plus yung y. Okay? Plus yung y. Lalagyan muna natin ng plus yung y. And then, kokopy lang natin yung the rest. Okay? Kokopy lang natin to. Lagyan lang natin ng plus yung y. And then, pag meron ng plus yung y, pwede na nating ilipat tong negative 5x sa kabila. Magiging, yung negative 5x, magiging positive 5x na. Okay, so itong negative 5x, magiging positive 5x kapag nilipat sa kabila. So this is now the equation of the line in standard form. Okay, ito yung x term, y term equals c, and then the constant. Okay, number 2. So meron tayong, this is isang point. Point to, no? This is point, x is 1, and y is negative 2. Then meron tayong pangalawang point. X is 3 and y is negative 3. X is 3 and y is 3. Okay, so kokopyahin lang natin to. Yan, sa number 2 natin. Number 2. X is 1, y is negative 2. X is 1, y is negative 2. And x is 3 and y is 3. X is 3 and y is 3. So meron tayong dalawang point. So ang ating first point, so ang ating pangalawang point. So therefore, itong magiging x sub 1 natin, and ito naman ang magiging y sub 1. So ang second point natin, therefore, ito ang ating x sub 2, ito naman ang ating y sub 2. Y sub 2. X sub 2. So since meron tayong dalawang points, gagamitin natin is use equation of a line given 2 points. Okay, yung letter B. Yung letter B. Ito, letter B. 2 points. Okay. Yan. So this is the formula for the 2 points. Kailangan lang alam natin yan, no? Naka-note yan. Naka-note dapat yan sa notebook natin. And then, kokopyahin lang natin, ano? So, y minus, y minus. Y minus, y minus. And then, tong y sub 1 na to, papalitan natin ng negative 2. Ito yung y sub 1 natin So, papalitan natin ng y sub 1, negative 2. So, negative 2. So, again, negative number, lalagyan natin ng parenthesis. Mabalutan natin ng parenthesis kapag negative number. Okay? And then equals, and then y sub 2, ang ating y sub 2 is 3. Papalitan natin ng 3 minus, ang ating y sub 1, ito y sub 1 is negative 2, no? Ang ating y sub 1 is negative 2. Papalitan natin itong y sub 1 ng negative 2. Again, merong parenthesis para malinaw, no? And the fraction line, so sinusundan lang natin tong formula na to, no? Sinusundan lang natin. Then next is x sub 2. Okay, this is x sub 2. Ang x sub 2 natin is 3. So maglalagay tayo ng 3 dito. Then minus ang ating x sub 1. Ang ating x sub 1 is positive 1. So ang ating x sub 1 ay magiging positive 1. So yan, kinokopya lang natin. And then parenthesis x minus, and then ang ating x sub 1 is ano lang natin, ang ating x sub 1 is positive 1. Kaya meron tayong positive 1 dito. Okay? So pagkatapos natin palitan tong mga y sub 1, x sub 2, ito na tayo ngayon. Ito na ating current equation. So, aayusin lang natin itong mga parentheses. Next na aalisin natin yung mga parentheses. Okay? Kasi yung mga parentheses, sabi niya, PEMDAS. Pinakamataas ang priority or dapat pinaka-inuuna natin ang mga parentheses. Because number 1 siya, pinakamataas. No? So, unahin natin lahat ng mga parentheses na to. Wala. May parentheses pero medyo mahirap pang i-simplify, no? So, ito ang mga pwede nating i-simplify. Negative times negative magiging positive 2, no? Negative times negative 2 magiging positive 2. Kasi pag nag-multiply ka ng dalawang number na magkapareho ang sign, magiging positive. So, ito ay magiging ganito. Okay? Equals, and then ito na naman tayo, negative times negative 2 magiging positive 2. Okay? So, kinopya na to. X minus 1 pa din, and then 3 minus 1 pa din. So, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 minus 1 is positive 2. So, para mawala itong 2 na to, multiply natin itong buong to ng 2, And itong buong to ng 2. No? So, itong x minus 1 na to, pwedeng, kasi ito is over 1, pwedeng 2 times 1 is 2, and then 5 times x minus 1 is 5 times x minus 1. No? Kasi ito is over 1. Ibig sabihin this times this. So, meron itong over 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2. And then 5 times x minus 1 is 5x minus 1. Okay, so multiply natin to ng 2. And i-multiply natin tong buong to ng 2. Okay, left and right side. Multiply natin ng 2. Okay, so 2 times y is 2y. 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. So pag mga positive lang number, walang problema, no? So straight operation tayo. 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. Pagdating dito, yung 2 sa numerator magka-cancel sa 2 denominator, ang may iwan is 5 times x minus 1. 5 times x minus 1. Okay, and then saka pa lang natin ma-operate itong parenthesis na to. So, copyin lang natin to, itong part na to, 2y plus 4. 2y plus 4 is equal to, and then 5 times x is 5x, and then 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Okay, so kinopya lang natin to, no? Five times x is 5x, and 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Then pagpatuloy natin, kailangan maging y is equals to mx plus b. Y is equals to mx plus b. So, tama na tong y term natin. Tama na rin tong x term natin. But merong wala sa lugar dito, tong positive 4. Lipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 4. So, yung positive 4, pag tin-transpose natin sa kabila, no, ito kasi yung equal sign eh. Okay? Yung equal sign, so yung positive 4, pag nilagay natin dun sa kabila, magiging negative 4. Yun lang ang binago natin. Itong positive 4 nilagay dito. And then, wala tayong magagawa dito, but ang dalawang to, negative 4 and negative 5, pwede natin i-combine, magiging silang negative 9. No, yung negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9. Okay? Kasi pareho silang negative, kaya in-add natin silang dalawa. So, medyo malapit na to. Ito na yung y. Ito yung mx natin, and ito yung b. But the problem is, itong y, meron siyang coefficient 2. Ang gagawin natin is, di-divide natin lahat ng coefficient ng 2. Yan. So, mangyayari is ganito, 2. Okay, so 2 cancel with 2. And ang 5 over 2 is already in lowest term. Ganun din ang 9/2, lowest term. Therefore, ang ating final equation is y is equals to 5/2x minus 9/2. Okay, so this is our equation in slope-intercept form. Palitan natin yan into standard form. Palitan natin yan into standard form. So, hanapin natin yung pinakahuling equation na walang fraction. Okay, so hindi to, hindi rin to. Okay, ito. Ito, 2y equals 5x minus 9. Yan ang kukunin natin. 2y is equals 5x minus 9. 2y is equals to 5x minus 9. Gagawin natin ax plus bx is equals to c. So, yung x term natin is positive. So, pagka positive ang x term, mas mabuti siguro yung y ang ilipat natin sa kabila. Okay, so yung y, positive. Pag tinranspose natin sa kabila, magiging negative 2y. And then itong negative 9, pag tinranspose natin sa kabila, magiging positive 9. Yung negative, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging positive. So since positive 9 is equals to 5x minus 2y, therefore 5x 2y is equals to positive 9. Pwede nang alisin yung plus. And this is ax plus by is equal to c. Standard form. Okay, number 3 is another example of 2 points. So meron tayong first point, oops, naglolo ko na naman. Okay, so excuse me lang. I-restart lang natin tong program. Lolo ko siya. Start lang natin saglit. Just a moment. Naghang yata ang computer. Saglit lang. Okay, saglit lang. Okay, so ito na tayo, number 3. Na tayo number 3. Meron tayong isang point at meron tayong pangalawang point. Okay, so yung first point natin is negative 2 and 0. Negative 2 and 0. Then yung pangalawang point natin ay 0 and 5. 0 and 5. Okay, so that's number 3. So kung mapansin nyo, merong 0 dito. No? 0. Pag may 0, ibig sabihin, those are the x and the y intercept. Okay? So ang isang to is 0 ang y, merong value ang x, ibig sabihin, itong negative 2 is the x-intercept. Kaya letter A siya. Okay, letter A, x-intercept. X-intercept, letter A yung x. Ano ang isang to? Ito namang isang to is 0 yung x niya. And may value yung y niya. So therefore, this is our y-intercept. So gagawin nating B yung y. Okay, so solution. Gagamitin natin ang equation of a line given the x-intercept and the y-intercept. And ito yung formula. Gaya na sinulat natin sa taas. So, papalitan lang natin yung mga b ng 5. Yung b natin is 5. Okay? Okay, nagdoble. Doble ang formula, no? So, malito, no? Nagdoble ang formula natin. Ito yung formula. So, itong b na to magiging 5. Itong b na to magiging 5. Okay, pag positive, walang problema, no? Hindi na naglalagay ng mga parenthesis. Next is itong a na to. Papalitan natin ng negative 2. Okay? Yung a natin is negative 2. O negative 2. Okay? Kapag nag-isa lang yung negative number, wala namang terms dito sa left side, pwede nang wag lagyan ng parenthesis. Okay? So, negative 2. Then, pag in-evaluate natin yan, since this is positive 5, so, itong dalawa lang. Over 2, 5 over 2. Okay? So, therefore, and then, 2 x. And then, tong negative times negative, magiging positive 5 over 2. So, this is our equation in slope-intercept form. Kailangan natin palitan to standard form. So, since walang equation na single line Okay? Kunin natin. Y is equal to 5 over 2x plus 5. Y is equals to 5 over 2x plus 5. Okay, yan ang kokopyahin natin. Y is equals to 5 over 2x plus 5. And then, ang shortcut is 2. I-times natin sa y. Times natin sa 5. So, magiging 2y. 2 times y. 2. 2 times y is 2y. Times positive 5 is equals to positive 10. And bakit naging 5x to? Because ang short method nun, pag minultiply mo yung 2 sa lahat ng terms, mawawala na tong 2 dito. So magiging 5 times x is 5x. Okay? So para mas malinaw, meron tayong step dito. Ito yung long method. Ito yung long method. No? So yung mga advanced na pwedeng tumalon doon. So yung mga medyo nahirapan, ito yung ating long method. So una, lagyan natin ng coefficient 1 to, itong y. Then lahat ng coefficient, 1, 5 over 2. Okay, so coefficient 1, coefficient 1, 5 over 2, 5 over 2, 5, and 5. Lahat sila ay minultiply ng 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? Kaya naging ganito. And then tong 2 na to will cancel with 2 dito. So magiging 5 times x is 5x. Then plus 2 times 5 is 10. Since positive yung x term natin, yung y ang ililipat natin sa kabila. Ang y ang ililipat natin dito. So itong positive 2x, pag transpose sa kabila ay magiging negative 2y. And ito naman positive 10, pag tinranspose natin sa kabila ay magiging negative 10. So since negative 10 is equals to 5x minus 2y, therefore 5x minus 2y is equal to negative 10. So dapat negative to. May correction pala tayo, no? Negative 10. That's the standard form. Okay, check nga natin, ha? Check natin saglit, ha? Ang ginagamit na graphing calculator. Ito, GGebra. Okay? So, ilalagay ko lang doon yung dalawang points, negative 2, 0. Enter. Then dito naman ilalagay ko yung pangalawang point, parenthesis 0, 5, enter. So makikita nyo may lumabas na dalawang point, A and B, no? Then i-check natin itong ating final answer. This is y is equals to 5 over 2 arrow x plus 5. Enter. So pag yung linya tumama dun sa dalawang point natin, ibig sabihin, and point B. And then ito yung equation natin. Nung ginraft ng calculator, makikita nyo na nag-intersect siya dun sa dalawang point. So, ibig sabihin, tama ang ating equation. So, check natin tong ating final. Copyin ko lang to. No? Copyin ko lang to. Check natin kung tama. 5x minus 2y is equals to, dapat ay negative 10. So makikita nyo yung blue ay nakapatong siya sa green. Okay? Makikita nyo. So palitan natin kulay nito. Gawin natin red. Ayan, yung red. Ito yung equation. 5x minus 2y is equal to negative 10. Okay? So, kung ginamit natin tong positive 10, magkakamali tayo. Pag ginawa kong positive tong 10 na to, okay, makikita nyo yung red line, humiwalay doon sa original line natin. Ito na yung red line, no? Kasi nga nagkamali tayo doon sa positive 10. So, dapat to negative 10. Para isang equation lang sila. Magkaiba lang yung forma nila, pero isang equation lang sila. Okay, so that's one technique para ma-check ang answer. Okay, so again, may correction tayo dito, no? Okay. Just a moment, i-update ko lang saglit, baka makakalimutan ko kasi, ha? Okay. This is negative. Okay, na-update ko lang saglit. Naglang na naman ang computer ko. Okay. Nice na. Okay, so, okay, na-update ko na, no? So, next we go to number 4. So, number 4, binigay lang sa atin is A is equals to 2. and B is equals to negative 7. So A is equal to 2 and B is equal to negative 7. So, ah A, ang ibig sabihin nito, this is the x-intercept. Yung letter A is the x-intercept. And ito naman B is the y-intercept. So solution, gagamit tayo ng x-intercept and y-intercept formula. Okay, so ito, kailangan lang tandaan nyo to, no? This is the x and y-intercept formula. Yung merong A at saka B. Ang gagawin natin is papalitan lang natin lahat ng B. Okay, papalitan natin ng B ng negative 7. Okay, kasi B is equals to negative 7. So maglalagay tayo ng negative 7 doon. And then negative 7 dito. And then lalagyan natin ng parenthesis. Tapos, mayroon siyang katabing plus. May plus dito eh. So, kailangan lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Okay? Next is A. Tingnan natin ang value ng A. Ang A is positive 2. So, papalitan lang natin tong A na to ng positive 2. Then, si-simplify na lang natin to, no? Y is equal to okay, so negative times negative magiging positive or pwedeng wag na isulat ang sign. Pag positive, hindi na sinusulat ang sign. 7 over 2 x. Okay? And then positive times negative is negative 7. So yung negative 7 ay negative 7 pa din. Therefore, this is the formula, this is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Change natin yan to standard form. Wala tayong equation na single na walang fraction. Lahat sila ay fraction. So ito yung kukunin natin. Convert natin into, kunin natin to. Y is equals to 7 over 2x minus 7. Y is equals to 7 over 2x minus 7. Then, convert natin to into standard form. AX plus BY is equals to C. So, ang short method is 2 times Y is 2Y and 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. Then, mawawala na itong 2 na to. 7 times X is 7X. Yun ang short method. Yung long method, lalagyan natin ng 1 to. Okay, ito yung long method. Okay. Lalagyan natin ng 1 to. Lagyan natin ng 1. So, may 1 dito. And then, lahat tong mga coefficient, itong 1, itong 7/2, itong 7, i-multiply natin ng 2. Okay, so times 2, times 2, times 2. Okay, so magiging 2 times 1 is 2. 2, cancel with 2. So magiging 7 times x is 7x. And 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, because itong 7x is positive, itong positive 2y, itong positive 2y, ang ililipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 2y. So, yung positive, pag tinranspose sa kabila, magiging negative. Then, itong negative 14, kapag tinranspose natin sa kabila, ay magiging positive 14. Okay, so ito na tayo. 14 is equals to 7x minus 2y. So therefore, 7x minus 2y is equal to 14. This is now the equation in standard form. Okay. And the last one for learning task 2, number 5. And times slope is equal to 2 and isang point, 3 and negative 1. So, kukopyahin lang natin to. Slope is equal to 2. Slope is equal to 2. And the point is positive 3 and negative 1. Positive 3 and negative 1. So, makikita natin dito, meron tayong slope at saka isang point. Isa lang ang point natin. So, gagamit tayo ng slope and a point formula. Letter C. Letter C. Ito, letter C. Slope and a point formula. Slope and point formula. Okay? So, itong point na to, since isa lang siya, yung formula, ito yung formula. Mapansin nyo, gumagamit tayo ng y sub 1 and x sub 1. So, dito natin kukunin yun sa first point. So, kinopya ko lang 3, positive 3 and negative 1. And then, ito ang ating magiging x sub 1. Ito naman ating magiging y sub 1. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin is sa substitute lang natin to So, substitute lang natin ng tatlong to, no? So, copy natin y minus, and then ang ating y sub 1, ito ang ating y sub 1 is negative 4. Negative 1 is negative 1. So, papalitan natin ang y sub 1 ng negative 1. Again, may parenthesis kasi meron tayong sign dito, no? Kaya kailangan lagyan natin ng parenthesis para hiwalay itong minus dito sa minus dun. Okay? So, y sub 1. And then, itong m, tingnan natin ang value ng m. M is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. Pinalitan natin ng 2. Then, kukopy lang natin to, x minus, then yung x sub 1 natin, papalitan natin ng 3. Pinalitan natin ng 3. Okay? And then, papagpatuloy natin to, simplify natin. So, y, copy natin y, then negative times negative, magiging positive 1. Negative times negative is positive, ano? So, magiging 1. And then, 2 times x is 2x. And this is positive. Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Ulit, no? Positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And then, gagawin nating slope-intercept form, y is equals to mx plus b. So, lahat dapat i-transpose natin dito sa right side. Yung y lang ang matitira sa left side, no? Ito yung equal sign. Yung y lang dapat ang matitira. So, itong positive 1, pag tinranspose natin sa kabila, magiging negative 1. Kasi yung positive, kapag nilipat natin sa kabilang side, ito yung equal sign. Itong positive, kapag nilipat natin doon, magiging negative. Okay, so yun lang ang ginawa natin, no? Ito lang tong positive 1, ilipat natin sa kabila, naging negative. So, magiging y is equals to 2x, y is equals to 2x, and then meron tayong negative 6 and negative 7. Okay, since pareho silang negative, pagsasamahin natin sila, magiging negative 7. So, that's negative 6 plus negative 7 is negative 6 plus negative 1 is negative 7. Or in layman's term, sa madaling salita, yung 6 na negative, pag tinagdagan mo ng isang negative, ay 7 na ang mga negative. Okay? Kasi, okay? Pag magkapareho ang sign, pinag-a-add natin. Pag magkaiba, subtraction. Kapag walang parenthesis. No? Pag may parenthesis, ibig sabihin nun ay -6 times -1. So, negative times negative, positive naman ang sagot doon. Kasi pareho silang negative. Okay? So again, kinopya ko lang to, y is equals to 2x. And then itong -6 minus 1 ay naging -7. So therefore, ito yung ating equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, ito yung ating equation in slope-intercept form. So next, so palitan natin into standard form kasi dalawang hinihingi eh. Isang slope-intercept form, isang standard form. So, kokopyahin lang natin to. Ito yung pinakahuling equation na walang fraction. Y is equals to 2x minus 7. Y is equals to 2x minus 7. Positive ang x term natin. So, yung y ang ililipat natin sa kabila. Yung positive y ay magiging negative y. Pag tinranspose natin sa kabila. No? Yung positive y, magiging siyang negative y. And then itong negative 7, itatranspose natin sa kabila, magiging positive 7. Yung negative, naging positive. 7 is equals to 2x minus y. Therefore, 2x minus y is equals to 7. That's the equation in standard form. No, dalawa kasi, isang slope-intercept form at isang standard form. Okay, that's the end for learning task number 2 of week 6.